Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a budget-friendly hack to store your lipsticks. These are the inserts that I got. I got these from the Container Store for $5.99 a piece. There's 5 plaques in each one. These are all of my lipsticks. I have just been storing them in this IKEA. It's really a kitchen drawer organizer, but I've been storing them in here. So it's really hard to see all the colors that I have, so I figure I would use something a little bit more efficient. So this is one pack. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it lengthwise. Is this length? I'm gonna measure it this way first and snap it. It's supposed to snap very easily, so I'm gonna just snap it and make it as wide as I would like for it to be, and then put the inserts going the opposite way.
Big Jeezy got it locked, boy.
So here I'm just figuring out what width I would like for it to be. I did end up taking a full strip and just snapping it in half. Once you see me begin to put it together, you'll see that it's a lot smaller than the pieces that I have here. I definitely underestimated the amount of lipsticks that I have. At the end of the video, you will see me create another one because baby, I had too many lipsticks.
Drive me crazy. You know that your love drive me crazy.
This is a good spot to show you trial and error. You can see the ridges in the plaques. So when I put that one in, it didn't go all the way flat. What you're gonna have to do is flip it over and just slide that piece on. I noticed that as I was creating both of my inserts, I had to do a lot of flipping. It doesn't fall apart when you flip it over, of course, just be careful, but you will have to flip around if the pieces are not fitting. So just play around with it, don't get frustrated. Just play around, slide them in and see if they fit. So now I'm just adding the middle inserts. These are of course the same length as the longer 2 pieces that we had. I am placing them every 2 prongs, I guess we can call them. I'm placing them every 2. And right here, I'm going to take those scraps from the previous pieces and just slide those in widthwise. As you can see, I have to flip it over to slide these pieces in, but it all works out.
Jeezy got it locked, boy. Crazy. You know that your love drive me crazy. Never felt this way, it's amazing. Yeah, but I was waiting for, I'm impatient. Crazy. You know that your love drive me crazy. Never felt this way, it's amazing. Yeah, but I was waiting for, I'm impatient. You know that your love drive me crazy.
So it was at this moment that I realized I made it far too small. I'm just putting the lipsticks in to see what it's looking like. Here I'm creating another one, and I'm just going to push them together. So I am going to stop talking now and let you all finish watching the video. I did already explain all of this, but if you have more questions, you can drop them in the comment box below. The links for all of the products that I use are in the description box, as well as the link to this storage drawer from IKEA. These are the Alex drawers. So I got this basket from the Dollar Tree, and I just put some sticky paper in there to put all of my glosses so they don't slide out. But this is the final product. I hope this video was very helpful. If this helped you in any way, be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time.